Managing your availability on Upwork is extremely important. Making sure that you've got enough time for each project that you're working on and you're dedicating enough time for each client is extremely important. So I'm going to show you how to change your availability and make your life a lot easier. You want to find yourself over here on your homepage, and you're going to go and click on your name or your profile picture on the right hand side of the page. You will land up on this page. This is where you manage everything in your profile. Okay, so we're going to go down here, and on the left hand side it says promote with ads. Okay, so there's a few things that you can change here, right? So the availability badge. Now, the very important thing about an availability badge is it does highlight your availability. Okay, it makes you more visible to clients on Upwork, but it does cost connects. This over here on the left hand side, it says there is a budget of 14 connects. Okay, so when you go, this is the minimum amount that you can add in here. All right, so 14 connects per week. You can, of course, you can turn it off anytime you'd like, but for 14 connects a week, I think it's a lot. And I turned this availability badge on in the past, not knowing that it cost connects, and I didn't realize it, so I just turned it on. But it does give you this available now button just below your profile, so it'll show clients that you're available like immediately. But I don't really want to have that availability badge on. If you can spare those connects, then by all means go ahead. But I don't think that it makes such a large difference. I think if you optimize your profile will be more inviting and you'll get more engagement. But if you go just a little bit lower here, you'll see hours per week. And this is how many hours you have available to work, which means either you're doing this as a part-time freelancer or you're doing this full-time. So if you click on that, you'll see you can go down here. It says I can currently work more than 30 hours a week, less than 30 hours a week, as needed, which means you're open to offers. You're pretty much completely open to whatever, and then none. Now you'll go none if you haven't got any availability, and if you tap on that, it will give you a not available badge on your profile. I do believe that you shouldn't add this non-availability onto your profile, because the time that it takes for you to onboard a client may be 5, 6, 7 days. By that time, while you're working on somebody's project, your next project is in the works. So you setting up this project with this client while you're working on this one. And if you can multitask like that, then it's fantastic. So I would either do more than 30 hours a week, because I'm a full-time freelancer. So I have mine set on more than 30 hours a week. You can put it on less than 30 hours a week. This just eliminates people wanting to offer you full-time jobs. So you're going to waste your time if a client comes to you and says, I need you to work 45 hours a week, and you can't do that because you already have a full-time job or you're already working on a project and you're unavailable to do that. So make sure that you're setting your current work availability accordingly. Once you're done, you're going to click on save over here, and you can go ahead, and now you've changed your availability. This creates transparency between you and the client, and it eliminates those awkward I'm not available or I am available and I'm not getting any opportunities. So make sure that you change your availability according to what you're able to do. If you want to learn more about Upwork, you can go ahead, click on this video, do it. I'll see you over there. Peace.